Good morning, it's Drew Cosborough in Gimli, Manitoba, learning about boat safety. Joined by Cameron from Boat Smart. Can you explain what Boat Smart is exactly?
Well, Boat Smart's a national safe boating organization, so we help educate boaters, we train them, and through Boat Smart Canada, boaters can also get their pleasure craft operator card, which is now mandatory by law, so gotta have that card or face a $250 fine.
That doesn't sound very good. So let's talk about some of the safety features.
Yep.
This does not look like any life jacket I remember from growing up. So what's the deal with these things?
Well, this is actually a great product from Mustang Survival, so you can pick these up at Canadian Tire stores. And the neat thing about these is they're comfortable to wear. It's pretty hot out today, so they're comfortable to wear. They're not too hot. And these will actually inflate once you go in the water. So,
oh, really?
Yeah, it's kind of tucked away when you don't need it, but then when you go in the water, it inflates.
So if you're ever in trouble, you can inflate this thing. And
that's right. And this particular model will automatically inflate. So the big thing is, Drew, to remember to always be wearing an approved PFD or life jacket. You know, sometimes you go out in the boat and you see adults, they're not wearing their jackets, the kids are. Everybody should be wearing their life jacket. If you look at boating fatalities, about 86% could have been prevented if the people involved were wearing one of these things. So make sure you have it on.
Yeah, and it's not enough just to have it in the boat for a just-in-case thing. You need to be wearing it, correct?
That's right. And we've got these are some of the more traditional styles here. So that's a great kids life PFD. It's got the collar with the grab handle on it. Again, you want to make sure you check the label to see that it's approved for use in Canada. And you want to make sure that's properly fitted. So it should allow for the free movement of your arms and legs, but fit snugly.
I see. So, like, proper fitting means so that if you go in the water, like, it'll sort of keep your head up and make sure you're facing the right direction.
That's right. And even if you're purchasing a new life jacket, or let's say you've got some around the cabin or the cottage that you've had for a few years, make sure you test it. So put it on, float back in the water. You should make sure that your chin stays above the water.
Gotcha. Okay, I think I've got enough of the basic stuff, at least to be a passenger in the boat, right?
That's right.
I can get started. Okay, coming up on Breakfast Television, we're going on a boat ride.
Let's do it.